12-inch reference audio. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Whoa, almost dropped the camera. Welcome back to another video here at Full Speed SA. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing a little bit of sound instead of speed. But thank you for joining me. We're going to be focusing on a Polo TSI. Yeah, we're going to be doing a spare wheel delete sound conversion on the Polo. You guys can stick around. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And 95% of you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet. Please take 2 seconds right now and hit that subscribe button. I'll appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. But let's get to the Polo. If you guys are interested in doing any kind of sound installations and you guys are situated here in the Western Cape, particularly the Garden Route, please guys, you have to do yourself a favor and get in touch with South Cape Audio. They do the best builds when it comes to sound, best installations, quality, professional, you name it. Don't miss out. Catch South Cape Audio, 17 Bolton Road, 4 by Mossel Bay, and enjoy the rest of the video, guys. And in with the new, guys. Comment below, what do you guys think? Right, guys, welcome back to Full Speed SA. Today's video is sponsored by South Cape Audio, and we are checking out the revised version of the 3-day sound installation that was done here at South Cape Audio, but it's now upgraded. Instead of a 10-inch DD, yes, we're sitting with a 12-inch reference audio. And Jonathan is kind enough to play me some non-copyright music that I sent him just a second ago, so that we could get a demonstration of what's happening in his awesome Polo, which was tinted and also had this awesome sound installation done at South Cape Audio. Whoops. Yep. Yeah. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with these sounds. Right, one of my favorites by Caviar. Everything else is stock in the front. Quality, guys, quality sound. I'm telling you, this is not a joke. This is all stock. But when you get to the back, South Cape Audio magic. you guys can let me know what you guys think of the sound quality. I'm not even sure if these songs are the best of quality, but the way it came through on the speaker was amazing. So all thanks to Southcape Audio, guys, sponsor of today's video. Check them out on Facebook, Southcape Audio Fitment Center. I cannot believe how much you can get out of these in their stock trim, and you just add a little bit of bass. That's the end result. Let me know what you guys think.
Probably think I was psychotic. If you knew something I'll never get over, it makes me I can't get.
Just when you thought things couldn't get a little more interesting here at Southcape Audio, we hit you with the original American truck. Alright, what we have here, guys, to the Americans, they know, I mean, this is what they see every day. But over here in South Africa, this is what we call a rare sight. SVT Ford F-150 Raptor. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is that a Roush supercharger on there, or what's going on? Any of my American guys can tell me. Looks very similar to a Vortex, but let's look at that. Proper American truck, guys. Not these little 4x4 double cab buckies that we have in South Africa. No. Look at that. Look at that. That's a double cab bucky. And this is a truck. This is what they call a pickup truck. So just a little side note, what's been happening at Southcape Audio. Again, guys, for joining me. That is the end of our video. As you see, we don't just deal with speed, we deal dabble a little bit in sound as well. But I can't thank you guys enough for joining, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Join me next time, guys. Peace.